Hello and welcome to another video of Metal Facts. We share facts about aircrafts, guns, weapons and cars in detail. And if you like these, do consider subscribing. Now let's dive into our topic for today, which is Cadillac Eldorado. This is an American luxury car which was manufactured from 1952 to 2002 by the company Cadillac, which was and is still known for producing luxury cars. Eldorado has had 12 generations and was considered as the pinnacle of luxury not only in America but around the world. Some of its models used to cost even more than Rolls-Royce at that time. Let's see how Cadillac Eldorado evolved generation by generation. By the way, Eldorado means the golden one, which also refers to the mythical South American lost city of gold. First generation. In 1953 Eldorado, the first generation of this car was designed by Harley Earl. It is a two-door convertible rear-wheel drive with a 5.4-liter V8, which produced 210 horsepower and a torque of 330 pound-feet or 447 Newton meters. And it had a 4-speed automatic hydraulic transmission. Second generation. Second gen was from 1954 to 56 for this car. In 1954, Cadillac was able to reduce the cost of the car by using the same body shell as the other standard Cadillacs, which increased their sales by 4 times than the last year. The only problem was it looked more like other Cadillacs of the year, which they sold next year. In 1955, they gave Eldorado their own rear end styling with high, slender, pointed tail fins. The Eldorado Sport convertible featured extras such as chrome body, belt moldings, and twin round tail lights. It came with the same old 5.4-liter V8 both these years, but the sales nearly doubled in 54. In 1956, a two-door hardtop coupe version was launched called the Eldorado Seville, at which point convertibles were named Eldorado BR8s. This generation Eldorado had an optional 6-liter V8 which produced 335 horsepower. Third generation was in 1957 and 58. In this generation, there was only one engine option, which was 6-liter V8 with 335 horsepower. The variants available were 2-door convertible, 2-door hardtop, and 4-door hardtop. Apart from these, they also introduced a variant called Eldorado Brougham. It was a 4-door hardtop ultra-luxury vehicle designed by Ed Glowacz. It featured quad headlights, totally unique trim, and was a true pillarless hardtop with the rear-hinged rear doors. It cost an astonishing $13,000, twice the price of any other Eldorado and more than the competitor Rolls-Royce. Fourth generation. Fourth gen was in 1959 and 60. 59 Cadillac is remembered for its huge, sharp tail fins with dual bullet tail lights, distinctive roof lines and roof pillar configuration, and jewel-like grille patterns. 60 Cadillac resembled 59 but with smoother and more restrained styling. The engine for this generation was 6.4-liter V8 with 325 horsepower. This gen's Broughams were made in Italy. Fifth generation. Fifth gen was 61 and 62. They did slight re-engineering and mild styling changes with the same engine. Sixth generation, 63 and 64. Again, slight styling changes to make it look more smooth and subtle, but this gen there was an option of 7-liter V8 with 340 horsepower. Seventh generation, 65 and 66. Redesigned to remove elevated fins and distinct bodyline was replaced with rounded look. Headlight pairs were made vertical from horizontal, which allowed more wider grills. Only one engine option was available, 7-liter V8. 8th generation, 67 to 70. Headlights were hidden in 67 and in 68 they used 7.7-liter V8 and used 8.2-liter V8 with 400 horsepower in 70. 9th generation, 71 to 78, 71 to 76, they used 8.2 liter V8 and later dropped to 7 liter V8 71 Eldorado was substantially redesigned, growing 2 inches in length and 6 in wheelbase. They featured standard side skirts which gave it a heavier appearance. 73 Eldorado received a major facelift featuring a massive egg crate grille, new front and back bumpers, rear fenders and tail lamps. Interior featured a new soft pillow for all seats. 74 featured a redesigned rear bumper and vertical ends. In 75, they were given rectangular headlamps and sharper, crisper lines, resulting in a sleeker appearance reminiscent of 67 to 70 models. 76 was the final year of Eldorado convertible and was heavily marketed as the last American convertible. In 77, they received a new grille and vertical tail lamps were located to the bumper fender extensions. 10th generation. This gen's design was way more subtle and classy, and engine options were quite a few. 4.1 liter V6, 4.1 liter V8, 5.7 liter V8, 5.7 liter V8 diesel, 6 liter V8. For many, it was the end of the legacy with the end of this generation. 11th generation. This time they redesigned it to give a modern look, with engines 4.1 liter V8 86 to 87, 4.5 liter V8 from 88 to 90 and 4.9 liter V8 in 91. 12th generation. This was the last generation of Eldorado, redesigned to give it a heavier look. Production ended on 22nd April and the last Eldorado was donated to a museum. That was all about the epic car. I hope you had fun watching the video, and if you did, hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you in the next video really soon.